Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Aylar. I am here to go over your problem of the day for today. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. So if you have not already done your problem of the day, look up and complete the problem of the day in your notebook, then come back to this video and watch how I solved it. Enjoy! Okay, so our problem of the day gave us a number, and the number we got was 330. And the problem of the day was asking us to show or represent this number 330 in 4 different ways. The first way, it asked us to show a 330 in expanded form. The second way, it asked us to show 330 in word form. The third way, it asked us to represent 330 with 100, 10s, and 1s blocks. And the fourth way, it asked us to represent 330 with 10s and 1s blocks only. So I'm going to go over each of the 4 ways to represent the number 330 in different ways. The first was expanded form. And we know that when we write something in expanded form, we do something called stretch it out. So everyone say stretch it out. Awesome job. So we know that when we're writing an expanded form, we write a addition equation that shows hundreds plus 10s plus 1s. So let's stretch it out. What number's in the hundreds place? A 3. So we know that it's 300. What number's in the 10s place? That's a 3. We know it represents 30 plus 30. And there are no 1s, so we're going to say plus 0. So when we expand 330, we stretch it out to hundreds, 10s, and 1s. 300 plus 30 plus 0. The next way that the problem wants us to represent 330 is word form. And we know word form means you write the actual words with letters. So we write 300 30. We make sure we complete the number, so 330, there's no 1, so I didn't have to add any. Now we're going to move on to our 100, 10s, and 1s representation. So we know that when we represent a number with 100, 10s, and 1s, or place value blocks, we go ahead and draw that 100, 10s, and 1s chart, so we have all of the numbers exactly where they need to be. So first we have 3 hundreds. So when there's a 3 in the hundreds place, we draw 3 hundreds blocks. We see a 3 in the 10s place, so we go ahead and draw 3 10s. And there are 0 1s, so we don't draw any 1s. 330. And last but not least, we have a trick question. This wants us to only represent 330 with 10s and 1s. So we have to get a little bit creative when we're thinking about drawing our 10s and 1s chart. So we know that 1 10 equals 10 1s. We also know that 100 equals 10 10s. So when we're representing the number 330 in only 10s and 1s, we have to think, how many 10s does it have? Well, it has 3 10s right here, but how many 10s does it have right here? Well, we know that 100 is 10 10s, and this has 300s. So we know that 300s is 30 10s. We know that we could represent this 300 with 30 10s, but we can't forget the extra 3 10s to make 30. So we know that we need to draw 33 10s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I have 33 10s and I have 0 1s still. I hope this was helpful to show you 4 different ways to represent the same number. Awesome. Thanks, you guys.